Hello clarinetists, I wanted to record a quick video reminding you how to put the reed on and make an embouchure and then hand placement because we're going to be playing with the top half of the clarinet this week. So reminder, the first thing you want to do is take your reed out, soak it in your mouth while you put together your mouthpiece and barrel. It only goes on one way. You want to loosen up your ligature. And my reed is kind of warped. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of wavy. So I'm going to take away that wave by setting the back part of the reed, the flat part of the reed, against the flat part of the mouthpiece or the table. I'm going to kind of squish it down with my thumb. And that's going to take out the warpage. Then to put on the reed, again, I loosen up the ligature, put the back of the reed towards the table. See if I can do this in a way that's easy to catch it on camera. So I'm going to slide the butt of the reed between the ligature over the open facing the window of the mouthpiece. And then I'm going to line the tip of the reed up with the tip of the mouthpiece. When I get it into place, I'm going to shimmy with my thumbs along the rails, not touching the tip. I'm going to get my ligature into place, which you can tell by the lines on the side of the mouthpiece, and then I'm going to tighten it up. This is the first thing we start with. To make an embouchure, you're going to put your bottom lip over your bottom teeth, about that much. We don't go like this, just enough to where you're cushioning your bottom teeth from the reed. Then you're going to set the reed on your bottom lip, like so, and you're going to put your top teeth on top of the mouthpiece, like that. Then you're going to close your lips around, and this is what your embouchure should look like. Nice flat chin, tight corners. If you have dimples, they will show. You don't want any air leaking out. You're going to close your lips around the reed. If you remember to know how much reed to put in the mouth, you slide a piece of paper between the reed and the mouthpiece, and then where it stops, you're going to draw a line with your pencil, and that's how much mouthpiece you put in your mouth. So I'm going to put my thumbnail right on that line. And that's how I know how much mouthpiece to put in my mouth. When we start playing with the upper body joint, remember, it's the one that has the cork on both ends. These side keys are going to be on the bottom. I'm going to line up the reed with this octave key and thumb hole. And then I'm going to hold the barrel with my right hand, and my home keys for my left hand are going to be thumb over this thumb hole. Notice how it's kind of at an angle. It's not straight across, kind of at an angle. I'm going to put my pinky on this pinky key right here, cover the hole with my ring finger, cover this hole with this ring finger, and this hole with this ring finger. So my hand is kind of up, angle to the side, so that if need be, I can hit this key or this key, my G sharp key or my A key. But I'm not pressing those keys right now. So those are our home keys. And then you'll make the embouchure the same way. Those are the first notes that we will learn. This week we plan on learning G, which is no fingers. We're just going to hover them over our home keys. F, which is your thumb. E, first finger. Then eventually D, thumb 1, 2. C, thumb 1, 2, 3. When we go to disassemble, the first thing we're going to do is take off our reed. We loosen the ligature, push up the butt end of the reed over the top, gently pull it off. We're going to gently wipe off the reed on our pant leg and put it back in the case. Reminder, when you put it back in the case, the V of the case is on the front, and you're going to slide the butt end in first, like that. So on the back, where it's flat, you have the back of the reed. Put that in the case. And then you're going to take off the mouthpiece carefully. And you're going to put the mouthpiece cap back on and put that in your case. And then you're going to take your swab, turn your clarinet upside down, drop the weight through, and pull your swab through. Then you'll take apart the pieces. If there's any moisture on the end of your upper body joint, you'll wipe that off and put that away. And then likely you'll have water or condensation actually on the inside of your barrel, and you'll wipe that out and put that away. And that's it.